All right, let's talk about the lazy beginner's way to get free traffic to your offer that you are trying to promote and make money online. So the first thing that we need to talk about is you need a product to give away for free. So if you're trying to quit your 9 to 5 job, right? Perhaps you have a lot of reasons why you want to leave your job, or maybe just one. Maybe you just don't like your boss. Maybe you're tired of being told what to do. You're tired of being told when you have to come to work, and you're tired of that commute to work. You're tired of not being able to take off Thursday because you have kids that need you to go to their basketball game, but then you are on the schedule and have to work, and you have to find somebody else to go to the game or to pick up your kid, drop them off. These are all reasons that I wanted to quit my job 5 years ago and why I started making money online and started becoming interested in this. So if this is you, you want to stick around and hear what I have to say, because I have an amazing plan for you that will kind of provide all of the different, like the answers you're trying to figure out, like, well, I don't have a product to give away for free. Usually the relationship that you build with a potential customer or client that might want to buy something from you, it usually starts off with some type of free information that you're giving away to them, but it needs to be high quality and high value. You don't need to spend much time on it, but you do need, usually you have a lead, what's called a lead magnet or a squeeze page. And it's like, hey, opt in and you get it used to be like a newsletter or my 7-day email series on XYZ. Or you might give away a PDF for free. You might give away a course for free, or a training, a 15-minute training or a 45-minute training. There's so many different things that you can give away, but it's a really great way to build a relationship and turn a cold potential customer into somebody that is warm or hot. And what that means is if somebody is more warmed up to you, they're more like the warmer they are, to your content, the more likely they are to push that buy button and buy something from you. Okay. Usually cold traffic, it just is proven and factual that it doesn't convert nearly as good as warm or hot traffic. And so that's what we were kind of talking about. But when you talk about a free product to give away, in this case, we're going to be giving away, you guessed it, a free PDF. Now, what's inside this PDF is very, very important. And I can show you this program. You're going to stick to the end of the video, because I'm going to really get into like the done for you system that you could get started right now. The content creation is easy, everything. So stick around and we're going to get to that point in just a minute, but let's go over. So you're going to need a product to give away for free. And in this case, let's just say you have a PDF that you're going to hand out to as many people as you can, and it's already done for you. You have a PDF, it has a link in there that could make you money as well. And then you also need a product to sell, right? So these are two different things. Now, inside of this PDF that we are giving away, there's what's called an affiliate link inside of the PDF. Now you don't just want to like put an affiliate link and then give that PDF away and it doesn't really have any context, right? It actually needs to have some high value. You need to tell a story. You need to be speaking to a specific person and a specific audience, right? And this, you need to identify the person that you really want to talk to. A lot of times it's where you were at 5 years ago. That's who you want to talk to. Okay. And if you're a newbie and a beginner and you're still at your day job and you're trying to make this online thing work, you can kind of fake it until you make it, if you will, or you can basically just do like a building in public type thing. Hey, here's what I'm doing. Put yourself out there. Don't be scared to put yourself out there. Just long. And then once you start getting some success, then you'll be able to kind of change your maybe titles or your story just a little bit and say, hey, I'm actually getting success from this. Check this out, right? But you can borrow from other people that are successful and say, hey, this guy made $5 million away free PDFs. Check it out. Here's what it is. Like if you want the PDF, say PDF below, right? So you have a product, and inside that free PDF right over here, okay? So we have the free PDF, you give that away to someone, and then inside of that, we have a product, we have an affiliate link that if someone's interested and they like what the PDF says, the free PDF, they click on that affiliate link, it takes them over to a product. And if they buy that product, you get a really, really substantial affiliate commission, usually 50% or more. So you get a 50% commission, and let's just say the potential is over $300 per customer. And all your job is to give away the free PDF and let the PDF do the selling. The product is built inside of the PDF, if that makes sense. Okay. What do you need next though? You need traffic. You need to turn on a traffic source. There's YouTube, there's Instagram, there's TikTok, there's Facebook, there's websites, there's a lot of different ways to get traffic. There's paid traffic, solo ads, Facebook ads. There's a lot that you can do for traffic, right? You're going to need a traffic source. In this case, we're going to just say, hey, we're going to start an Instagram account because the content there, it's more business related because a lot of businesses are on Instagram. And it's a really great way to also build a personal brand and have people connect with you. The commenting on Instagram is a much better than like TikTok, for example. There's just more of a business kind of atmosphere on Instagram, and so that's a really good traffic source. Okay, so let's just say we're going to go with Instagram, and then the next thing that you need is you need to show up consistently daily for about 30 minutes to an hour each day. Okay, so keep that in mind. This type of business, I'm going to be completely honest with you, from somebody that has made over $10,000 per month for over 5 years now online, kind of know what I'm doing over here with affiliate marketing and selling my own products and marketing and getting free organic traffic, getting millions of views on across my YouTube channels. Now, this particular channel, up until this point, have only done Warrior Plus and JV Zoo product reviews. It's very, very intentional. And that's why I don't have a whole lot of views and subscribers on this channel, but believe it, I do have other channels as well. So you're going to need to show up because there's no magic pill to swallow. There's no magic button to push. You do have to do a little bit of work. No, we're not talking about 5 hours a day, 8 hours a day. Well, I recognize that most of you getting started, if you're a beginner and you're not having success online, you already have your 9 to 5. And let's just face it, it's usually not a 9 to 5. It's usually like 8 to 5, 8 to 6 with a lunch built in there, or even maybe you're working a swing shift, or maybe you're working nighttime, graveyard shifts, right? I get it. I've been there with all those types of shifts. I have done manual labor, drove forklifts, I've built houses, I've done all those things. I'm right there with you. And, graduated college, finally made it my way up to the corporate world where I became a manager, a materials manager, and then I got promoted as the youngest director that the company had ever had. In my 30s, they promoted me to materials director, managing multiple millions of dollars worth of rental equipment in the medical industry. Very highly stressful, audits, all kinds of stuff, right? I hated it. I just got to be honest with you. It was a great experience to gain those professional skills. But let's just face it, the entire time I wanted out. I wanted to be an entrepreneur, a solopreneur. I wanted to build a business that I enjoyed, that I controlled, and that I got to set my own schedule and have that life of freedom and flexibility that it has given me the last 5 years. Okay. So you are going to need to up, and I'm just saying 30 minutes to an hour a day. That's all it takes, 30 minutes to an hour a day. Okay. And what else are you going to need to make this work? Well, you're going to need a simple process that is not too tech heavy and not costly and not difficult to understand. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, so what are we talking about? Well, there's a program that just came out yesterday and it's called Cabooodle. Okay, so it's called Cabooodle. It's a super kind of silly name, but it's the kit and caboodle. It's got everything that you need under one roof. And that's where Mark Bishop, who has made $5 million in the last 15 years, that's over $300,000 per year. And he's a retired construction worker that's almost 60 years old. If he can do it, you can do it too. Okay. So this is Cabooodle. It just came out. It's literally $17 front end. You need to go pick it up. There's a link below and go pick it up. If you're not making money online, then this product is specifically for you because it answers all these things that I'm talking about. Let's go back over here. Okay. So we have we need a product. Okay. We need a product right here and a product to sell. So these two kind of come in right here with a revenue source, right? So we need a revenue source right here. And what I just went over, you need a product to give away and a product to sell. This is your revenue source, okay? And then what else do you need? You need a consistent traffic. You need consistent traffic right here, consistent traffic. And guess what? You get the consistent traffic inside of Cabooodle as well. And then you have a conversion process, right? People are going to come in, they're going to get the free product. And if they like it, then they're going to go and buy that. That's the conversion process that is going to be on autopilot. Okay. And so this is Cabooodle. And again, like I just said, right over here, you need a simple process, right? A simple process that's not tech heavy. It's not costly and it's not difficult, right? Well, look at right here. Look at right here. We literally have no complicated tech, no expensive tools, fancy software, no AI subscriptions, and no coaching programs. The entire kit and caboodle is inside of this product right here. There's 3 products, 1, 2, 3. You can go in here and I'll leave a link to my full Cabooodle review after the video. And then also below, I'll leave that as well to go and actually check it out. I do have bonuses right here. These 3 bonuses that you will be able to pick up, which are awesome if you actually pick this up. This is what the inside of the product looks like. It's about a 2-hour training program that gives you the free PDF to give away. That's high value. He teaches you how to set it up and do everything. Right? And then you have your traffic source, which I want to get to right now and show you. And look at Mark's brand new page. He has multiple other pages. The guy's a millionaire, but this is a brand new page that he created. And literally when he was recording the videos, he had like 50 followers. Look, he already has 104 followers right over here. He's created his, what he calls the identity framing right over here. You want to pick a very specific audience to promote and talk to, right? That you could be a construction worker like him in Gen X, right? 40 plus years old, talking specifically to those types of people. You could be, what if you're a nurse and you don't like your job and you want to do this online thing? Maybe you could, how many nurses are there? There's tens of thousands of nurses across the world. You could talk to just specifically nurses that want to get out of their 9 to 5 or their 12-hour shifts at the hospital, grueling, hard, heavy work. And maybe they want to do this on the side as a side hustle to help pay mortgage or pay for an extra car, or they want to get out and actually do this full time. Okay. Like myself, I have a business degree. I could be in the corporate business world and using, quote unquote, using my degree, or I could be making hundreds of thousands of dollars, which I have online, still using my business acumen that I did learn in college and everything, but I'm over here applying it to online and applying it to my own business. Okay. So find your identity framing, come over here and look at this guy just created this brand new account. You could record your dogs and literally get people commenting on these posts right over here. Now, does this work? You literally don't talk into the camera. We can come over here and one of my favorite ones is over here. Look at this. So I'm going to click on this and you're going to see yesterday I gave away a PDF and received $350. Look below, right? So you go and you read this, and if someone's actually interested in this, and look, Mark is not talking. He's recording the background and he's literally just recording himself. You pick up the phone and you literally just record yourself walking. You can walk up the stairs, down the stairs in your house. Don't have stairs, walk around the kitchen, go outside in your backyard, go on a walk, go to the park, record other, pets, people playing with their dogs, record a car driving by your house, whatever it is. If you live by the beach, you're going to be able to get amazing footage. Go to the beach all the time. Just get some footage. That's what this program teaches you how to do, is just create these 6 to 10 second videos, come up with these awesome hooks, edit your video really easily. And then you can come in here and look, here's his identity framing, over 40 entrepreneur. Here's his product and digital marketing over 40. And then he says, comment ready. Very important. Comment ready. And I'll send you the free video. So people say ready. And then he messages them in DM. People ready. Look at all those. So then these are leads that are interested. They're warm leads because they're actually interested in what Mark has. And that's when you go and you actually give them the PDF. And now let me go over here and show you what this actually looks like, right? So you have your PDF right here, and Mark's giving away this PDF right here. Okay. It's all inside of Cabooodle. You're going to get the access to the PDF. You're going to go put an affiliate link in this PDF. You're going to give this away for free. Okay. You're going to give this away for free. You're going to turn on traffic, right? You're going to turn on Instagram traffic, which is exactly what Mark's doing right here. Very easy to create videos. And then back over to here, what do we do next? Well, you have a product to sell, because inside of that PDF, you have a chance to actually make sales and make money. Okay. There's your PDF right there. And you have your Instagram for traffic. Okay. So that's the system. That's the lazy beginner's way to get free traffic right here. Go study this, go buy the program, go check out Cabooodle. The link will be below, all my bonuses and everything. I absolutely recommend this stellar product right here. You can go get from Mark Bishop, literally a retired construction worker, 59 years old, going out there and not even talking on camera. Look, he's just holding some lumber right over there. Build your online income 1 hour a day, not talking in the camera, no script, no nothing, just text right here, a text overlay, and a free PDF guide. So you have traffic, you have a free lead magnet to give away, and you have a product to sell. The PDF does the selling. It does not get much easier. It doesn't get any easier than this, any more newbie friendly than this process right here. Very simple process. The link will be below the video. Go pick it up, get my bonuses, and I hope to see you inside. Take care.